With the recent shift of traditional classrooms to distance online learning, a widespread issue has been arising of students misbehaving and exploiting the online classrooms with bad behavior such as pulling pranks and disturbing the flow and norms of online classes. In order to mitigate these problems, we have developed a solution which empowers the authoritative user the ability to take full control over the virtual classroom environment. What are a few issues institutes are facing at the moment? Students can provide links to external personals. Student microphones can be enabled. Student camera can be enabled. Public/private chat can be enabled. Spectrum Connect enables teachers to control each aspect of their virtual classrooms. They can disable and enable all settings on the go. Empower your teachers today and take full control with Spectrum Connect. Book a demo. Eduserv. Innovating education.